In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word if it is not responding, failing to start, or not opening on Windows 11. Word is an essential tool for many users, and encountering startup issues can be frustrating. But there are several effective ways to resolve this problem. The first and simplest step is to restart your computer. Sometimes, temporary glitches in Windows or Word can cause the application to freeze or fail to open. Save any work you have in other applications and restart your PC. Often, this alone can resolve minor issues and allow Word to open normally. If Word still doesn't open, try starting it in Safe Mode. Safe Mode launches Word without any add-ins or customizations that might be causing conflicts. Press the Windows key and R at the same time, type WinWord/safe, and press Enter. If Word opens successfully in Safe Mode, this indicates that the issue is likely caused by an add-in or a customization. Next, you should disable add-ins to identify the problem. In Word, go to File, then Options, and select Add-ins. At the bottom of the window, choose COM Add-ins from the Manage drop-down menu and click Go. Uncheck all add-ins and click OK. Then restart Word normally. If it opens correctly, you can re-enable the add-ins one at a time to find which one is causing the issue. Another effective solution is to repair Microsoft Office. Press Windows+S, search for Apps and Features, and open it. Locate Microsoft Office in the list, click on it, and select Modify. Choose Quick Repair first, which will attempt to fix common problems. If the issue persists, try Online Repair for a more thorough fix. Follow the prompts and restart Word after the repair is complete. It's also important to make sure both Office and Windows 11 are up to date. In Word, go to File, Account, and select Update Options, then click Update Now. Additionally, check for Windows updates via Settings and Windows Update to ensure compatibility and bug fixes. And that's it. You now know how to fix Microsoft Word not responding or failing to start on Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try these steps yourself. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.